And Rollercoin are back with another fantastic progression event to start us off in the month of March. This one is called Women History Month. Stay tuned to find out more. Okay, so Rollercoin love to put out progression events out there which can potentially get you significant amount of power and bonus power for your room together with other fantastic rewards as well. This time it is Women History Month. On my screen here you can see the game section of Rollercoin, and at the top here you can see the banner for the progression event Women History Month. Now, if I click on more details, you can see here that this is just starting right now at the time of recording this video. It's only been going on for the past few minutes, okay? So this is going to go on for approximately 4 days. It's going to last until the 5th of March, okay? So get cracking to get all those rewards. And something worthy of noting here is that if you spend 1 RLT for the crafting offer, you will get 3,497 points, and that's not with a multiplier. So you're going to get 3,497 points when you've got the normal times 1. If you actually have a multiplier, say times 10, then that's going to jump up to 34,970. Okay, so that's really going to give you a very big boost indeed. Now, the final reward and the final miner that you can get from this progression event is going to be the Fem Pride miner at 800 terahash per second, and this actually has attached with it a massive 5% bonus power, okay, to this miner. So that 5% bonus power will be added on to your overall power in the miner's power that you have in your room, okay? So we're going to see this in more detail now with the list, like I always like to do, to show you what rewards and miners you can get from the entire progression event. Just going through these really quickly. To get to a higher difficulty level in the game, it's 550 points. If you spend 1 LT, except in the marketplace and in the crafting offer, then it's 1,000 points. If you actually spend 1 LT in the marketplace, that's going to be the least that you're going to get. That's 350 points. And if you spend 1 LT for that crafting offer, the massive 3,497. Now, thanks to Piero for the list. I'm going to open up a screenshot that I took of the list. It's not going to be very clear at the moment because it's not officially yet on Piero's website. Thank you as always, Piero, for providing these lists with each and every progression event. I'm just going to go through these very quickly as well. So we've got a total of 30 levels. In level 1, you've got the 5 RST, and you'll start building up. You'll start getting regular racks from level 2. You've even got some XP bonuses for the event pass to get through the event pass and the season pass even faster. If you've got the gold pass, remember that you're always getting double the rewards for each and every level that you clear in the season pass there, okay? So 5 EXP, you've got 20 EXP at level 7. Here you've got, at level 10, you've got season token here, it's saying. It's not 80 EXP, that's a typo there. It's 80 RST, okay? You'll get some other racks which have 5% bonuses, even 6% bonuses further down with the Swedish Miracle rack. And you've got even a Neon Rack 8 with another 6% bonus right there until you get to the very end, level 30, where you can get the Fem Pride with 800 terahash and, as mentioned, the 5% bonus. Now, obviously, I have gone through all of this list and I have calculated what the total amount of power you can get from getting all of the miners. So I have calculated all of the miner power that you can get and the bonus attached with those miners. So I'm not including the percentage that you will get from the racks when placing those miners on the racks, because that will be also additional power right there when you actually place, for example, one of these miners on the Swedish Miracle rack. Let's say the Lady Minity here. If you place 742 and you're getting a 3% bonus with that, if you're going to put 742 on a 6% rack here, like this one, the Swedish Miracle rack 8, then you're also going to have 6% on top of those 742, okay? So that's going to be even more power right there. You get like 25 or 30 terahash more power when you're getting 6% applied on top of that 742. So keep these things in mind because they will definitely add up in your power. Obviously, the bonus power that I did calculate is when you don't actually own the miners already. So if you already own, for example, this chess miner here, this doesn't have any bonus, so that's not going to make a difference at all. But if you actually already own the Garten Maiden, for example, that has a 0.75% bonus, then you're not going to get that 0.75% bonus again. But obviously you can always merge it, because you've already got it, then you can merge two and then get even more bonus and even more power. Okay, so don't think that because you're getting the same miners again, you're going to miss out totally on the bonus, because if you actually do merge those miners, you will actually get a bonus, because from the uncommon miners upwards, there is normally always a bonus applied to the miners. Okay, so keep that in mind. Bonus is very, very important, as I did mention in a previous video of mine as well, and that will add it to your overall power. Speaking of overall power, I did calculate all of this, and the maximum amount that you can get from this progression event with all of the miners will be a whopping 5.3 petahash per second. And here's the actual calculation right here, 5.338 to be exact. So that is a very good, significant amount of power that you can add to your room. I have also calculated the bonus. Obviously, it's not in that calculation right there. I did calculate the bonus, and the total bonus power attached to the miners that you will get is also 16.45%. Now, bear in mind that here, for example, there is the uncommon Elven Magic, and there is always also the Garten Maiden. So you're going to get that bonus and that bonus, but these also exist a bit further down. Okay, so there is again the uncommon Elven Magic here at level 16, like it is in level 12. So you're not going to get that again. So I'm not calculating that, and I'm not factoring that into the calculation. Here is the actual calculation. I'll bring that up, 16.45%. So that's excluding. So I'm just counting one of these, because obviously if you have one and then you're going to get another one, only one's going to count. And then, like I said, you can merge them if you want to, but 16.45% with the ones that are there. Obviously, if you don't already have them. If you already have them, it's going to be a bit less, and then you can always merge. Okay, so again, if you've already got the Steam Weedle, for example, you're not going to get 3.5% if you've already got it, but you can then merge it with the one you've already got. Okay, so these two are both uncommon. You can actually merge those to get even more than 0.55% if you don't already have the one after that, which would be the rare uncommon Elven Magic. Okay, and the same thing for there's another one here, which is the Garten Maiden, which is at level 29, the level before last, at 0.75% bonus. And again, it is at level 15, so it's going to give you the same amount of bonus, but you're only going to get it once again, because there are two of them. You're not going to get both because it's the same miner, it's the same type, it's the uncommon one, so you're not going to get it twice, obviously. Okay, so again, you can merge it and bring that up to a higher bonus power level as well. So 16.45% and 5.3 petahash per second for this progression event, which is Women History Month. So definitely get cracking. You've got 4 days approximately to be able to complete all of those rewards. Check out my other videos on how you can complete progression events faster as well, and how you can use the multipliers more effectively and more efficiently to help you get through the entire event as quick as possible. Also remember that if you haven't yet registered to the game, you can do so by using my link down in the description below this video, so that you will automatically get 1000 Satoshi upon registration. It's free registration to the game, so that you can be able to start off your journey and purchase a couple of racks, maybe even a miner here and there as well. Okay, so at least that will help to get you started with 1000 Satoshi when you register to the game for free. So I hope that you found this video useful, and I hope that you do great in this progression event, and I wish you the best of luck. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below, smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.